Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to set up and install a D-Link smart plug model number DSP-W118. The steps will be similar for other smart plugs. I will be using an iPhone for this setup, however if you're using an Android phone the steps will be similar. Let's go ahead and plug in the smart plug and wait until the status LED flashes amber. Now make sure your phone is connected to the same router that you want to connect the smart plug to. In order to set up the smart plug you will need to download the My D-Link app from the App Store. If you're using an Android phone, you can download the app from Google Play Store. Launch the App Store on your device and search for My D-Link and install the app. Once the app is installed, go ahead and launch it. If you're new to My D-Link service, then you'll need to create a My D-Link account. Tap on Sign Up to create an account. I already have a My D-Link account, so I'm going to use it to sign in. Alright, so go ahead and click on Add a Device or click on the menu icon on the top left and click Add a Device. Go ahead and tap Next to scan the QR code. The QR code can be found on the side of the smart plug or on the back. Make sure the status LED is flashing orange or amber and tap Next. Tap Join. Tap Next. Alright, so at this step we want to make sure that your phone is connected to the smart plug signal. So just go to Settings on your phone and then under Wi-Fi make sure it shows the DSP network. Once you've confirmed that, go back to the app, tap Next. The app's going to search for the smart plug. Here you'll see a list of available Wi-Fi networks. Go ahead and tap on your home network. Now enter in the password for your home network. Tap Next. Now the smart plug is trying to connect to your home network. Alright, so if you're going to be setting up multiple smart plugs, I do recommend that you change the name of the smart plug so it's easier for you to recognize. Go ahead and tap on the smart plug name, and I'm just going to change this to lamp. If you tap on device location, you can set up the location where you're going to plug in the smart plug to. I'm just going to leave it at the living room and just hit the back button here. Okay, tap Next. Now the smart plug is being configured and binding to your account. Alright, so your plug has been installed successfully. Tap OK. Alright, so under shortcuts you'll see the smart plug that you just set up. So if you just tap on it and the icon turns green, that's going to indicate that the smart plug is turned on. If you just tap on the same icon again, it's going to turn the plug off. For more helpful videos, please check out support.dlink.ca.